Okay, so the Samsung Galaxy Tab S6 Lite. Is this a tablet that you should still be going after, especially with the upcoming deals, right? Black Friday, Christmas, and all that good stuff, the holiday deals. Is this a tablet that you should still consider purchasing? Let's go ahead and talk about it. All right, the Galaxy Tab S6 Lite has been one of my all-time favorite, not because of performance, not because of the way it looks. It's been one of my all-time favorites simply because this channel here is more value oriented, right? So in terms of value, this one has been one of the best tablets, in terms of just best bang for your buck, and I still advise people to go ahead and buy it. Now, when it comes down to Black Friday, what I'm gonna say is, in terms of the response to what I started off to my intro, to the intro to this video, it's gonna be a yes and no. I haven't seen too many great deals or amazing deals coming up on this tablet, but that doesn't mean don't keep it in mind. Still have it in the back of your mind. I'm not sure how much it's gonna drop, but still keep your eyes open, except don't focus too much on this, so much so that you miss the other deals that are being dropped on the Galaxy Tab S7, the Tab S7 FE that we love to hate, the Galaxy Tab S7 Plus. And I showed you, if you watch my previous video, I showed the Galaxy Tab S7 Plus that I paid like less than $300 for, and I actually showed you how to do it. It was more of a flash deal, so you also have to peel your eyes and keep your eyes open for that type of deals. But anyway, with that being said, as of now, the Samsung Galaxy Tab S6 Lite is still going for the regular price of $350. It just tells you how much this tablet is loved by so many people. Last year, when it dropped, towards the end of the year, I saw it go as low as $220 a year ago. I haven't seen it go that low this year just yet. I still see it going pretty low this year. And also, as you are checking for these deals, and as I'm checking for these deals along with you and sharing with you the deals that I find, make sure to check a variety of websites. I know some people tend to just go on Samsung to see what deals they have available on these tablets. No, you don't want to do that. You want to check Target, you want to check Walmart, you want to check Best Buy, you want to check just Google best deals on the Samsung Galaxy Tab S6 Lite and see if a price comes up, come close to what you are willing to spend for this guy. So let's say, for example, you were trying to spend $250 or $300, whatever the case may be, and you want to spend $250 or $300 on this tablet. Don't just, have your eyes glued to it. Just be flexible, right? Because if you use one of the methods that I use to buy my tablets, you may actually get something like the Galaxy Tab S7 for $300. So if you have $300 and you want to spend on this tablet, right? And let's say the price drops to $250 on the website, on the Samsung website. And you also see that the Galaxy Tab S7 drops to, $200 with a trade-in. And if you realize that, okay, if I can spend, $100 on something else and trade that in and pay $200, on top of the trade-in, that would come up to about $300 for a Galaxy Tab S7. I'm not sure if that makes sense, but to many of you who have been watching me do it, you probably understand what I'm trying to say. So if you were trying to buy this, keep your eyes open for other opportunities, other deals, other options. Even if you have to spend an additional, if you can afford, obviously, some people may have just a set budget. If you can afford maybe to be flexible on your budget and spend an additional $50, then go ahead and do that to upgrade to something, even more powerful, if you can. Otherwise, this tablet is still a pretty good tablet. I really like it. I still like it. It's, it could perform pretty well. It's a good kind of a budget / mid-range tablet, right? It's loaded with an Exynos 9611. You have 4 gigs of RAM, 64 gigs of internal storage there, and that is expandable at up to 1 terabyte. The display is actually pretty nice. It's a 2000. The resolution here is 2000 by 1200 or 1200 by 2000. So really nice for entertainment, playing games. You have, dual speaker setup here, and they are set up properly, so one on each side. So as you're holding your tablet here, the sound comes out, USB Type-C port, very, and also the headphone jack, you still have that on here. Very nice tablet. You have decent camera. When I say decent, I don't mean amazing camera, but decent for a mid-range tablet or a budget tablet. So these are some of the things that you need to pay attention to. So bottom line is this: if you still want to buy this tablet, it's still a good tablet. If you can find it at a good price, go for it. Definitely go for it. But don't let that blind you in a way where you don't look at the other deals that are available around you. Even the Galaxy Tab S7 FE that we all hate. Samsung is trying to get rid of those. You may know that, right? So especially the 5G variants, because those are actually, you know, in terms of the platform are clocked slightly down, slightly lower than the regular the regular Wi-Fi version. So if you are looking to buy if you're looking to buy this tablet, just put in your mind that you're looking to buy a tablet at about $300, and just keep your eyes open. You know, track these deals this week, you know, Black Friday, you know, after Black Friday, Cyber Monday, that same week of Cyber Monday, before Christmas, during Christmas, after Christmas, maybe even when the new lineup drops. But if you can get it by the end of the year, I'd say go for it. So I'm still gonna keep looking. If I see deals, I'm gonna make sure that I drop them, that I make a video like I've been doing so far about them, share with you. And again, like I said, don't get frustrated if you miss them. A lot of these are flash deals, but they do tend to come back around. So just don't lose hope. You see these flash deals, if you miss it, it's all good. Just keep your eyes open. Just catch the next one. But anyway, I'm certainly hoping that this was informative. Don't forget, of course, to like, comment, subscribe. Make sure to subscribe and hit both the notification, hit both the subscribe and the notification bell button, just so that as soon as I drop these videos, you'll be aware and you can go out there and buy these tablets. Anyway, appreciate you watching. I'm going to catch you in the comment section. I'm also going to catch you in the next video like I always do. And up until then, of course, as always, stay safe out there.